My role involves, on one side, recruiting volunteers, helping organisations recruit their volunteers, and on the other side, that brokerage service, helping individuals finding right opportunities for them. So anyone who is struggling in that digital world of finding volunteering opportunities, they can come to us, and there is plenty of local initiatives we know of that need volunteers. So once we have that initial chat with them, that interview, we can then match them with the best opportunity that we can find for them out there. Our advice is always come talk to us. Let's see if we can, look into your motivations, look into your skills, what you want to do as a volunteer, what you want to get out of it, and then we'll try to find your perfect match with the organisation that is local and it represents your core values. So you build a lot of skills through volunteering and open doors to so many different things. It can be that social circles that you need to build up, some connections, new friendships, and it's really good to see how the volunteers grow. Once they find that role that fits their lifestyle, they really grow, and people just get happier. I really like seeing volunteers enjoying what they're doing and having that positive experience, especially when they become like ambassadors for the organisations they volunteer for. It's great to see their passion, how passionate they get about the organisation and the service the organisation provides. It's really great to see.